Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spicy chicken and vegetable stir fry. So let's get started. To get started making our spicy chicken rice and vegetable stir fry, we're going to need a large chicken breast here, some carrots sliced up, some celery sliced up in little strips, some red and green bell peppers and onions. Yeah, that sounds good. And we're going to make a marinade, so we're going to need some soy sauce. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and slice up our chicken breast here. Now we're slicing it up kind of thin. Okay, now we're going to just go ahead and turn it sideways here. And we're going to cut right down through the middle here and make nice chunks. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to take a bowl and we're going to put them right in there. Okay, we're going to put them aside and we're going to take away our cutting board. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to make a marinade for our chicken, so let's get started doing that. First, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we're going to go ahead and mix that up, and the easiest way is just go ahead and put a glove on one hand at least and get right in there and mix it up. Okay, that looks pretty good. And to that, we're going to add some soy sauce, about 2 ounces. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of red pepper. Yeah, that sounds good. And about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, or a pinch. And a half a teaspoon of sugar. Now for the sugar, you use white sugar, brown sugar, any kind of sugar just to sweeten it a little bit. Okay, now let's go ahead and stir that up. Just get in there with your hands and go to town. With a glove on, makes it simple. Boy, that smells good already. Now all we have to do is let that marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour, and we'll start stir frying. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, our chicken's been marinating for about a little over an hour now, so let's start stir frying. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high, and we're going to put some oil in the pan here, and we're going to let that heat up. Okay, our pan's hot enough. We're going to take our marinated chicken here, and we're going to put that right in there. Boy, that smells good. Okay, we're going to lower the heat. So these are done. We're going to get them out of there. All right, let's take them out. Boy, they smell good. Yeah, they're good. Okay, boy, they look nice. We'll go ahead and put them aside for now. Boy, they smell good. Now we'll put a little more oil in the pan here. And we're going to take our vegetables here and we're going to put them right in there. Okay, let's give them a little stir here. Okay, now we're going to add just a little bit of water here. And we're going to let them steam and get a little softer. Okay, they're done enough. Now we're just going to add our rice. Now there's about 2 cups of rice there. So we'll just go ahead and put some of that in there. Maybe not all of it, you know. Okay, now we'll stir that in. Put a little bit more water in there. And we'll go ahead and add our mushrooms. Now it's canned mushrooms, but they're really good. And we'll stir them in a little bit here. Give them a nice stir here. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add our marinated chicken. Okay, let's put that back in there. Boy, look at all this. Wow. And we're going to stir that in. Man, look at all that. Boy, that chicken is nice. Really nice. Okay, that's about done. We're going to shut off our burner. Boy, that smells good. Can't wait to get into that. That's going to taste really, really good, I'll bet you. Okay, let's plate that up and give it a taste test. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. Our spicy chicken, rice, and vegetable stir fry with red and green peppers, onions, celery, mushrooms, and plenty of chicken and rice. Yeah, we can't beat that. And we marinated the chicken in soy sauce, garlic, and all those good herbs and seasonings, and a little bit of cayenne pepper and red pepper to kick it up a notch. Yeah, you can't beat that. Yeah, you know how you can tell when you have enough chicken and vegetables and mushrooms? You can't even see the 2 cups of rice that's in there. That's good. Okay, now we're going to put a little sesame seeds on there. Just a little bit, make it look nice. Okay. Now, since it has celery in there, we're going to take a little garnish here, celery leaves, and we're going to stick it somewhere over here. Okay, right here would be good. Can you see it? Alright, there you go. Alright, now let's just have a little taste. Get into a piece of chicken here and maybe a mushroom and a piece of celery. Wow, can you see it? Boy, is this going to be good. Just plain good. Alright, let's have a little taste. Boy, is that tasty. And the chicken's so tender that it falls apart. It's really good. And the spices that are in there with the soy and the marinated chicken, a little bit of the hot sauce and the red pepper, perfect seasoning. Just make it just the way we have it there. You're going to really love it. I wish I could show you how tender the chicken is. Maybe I can. I'll get a piece and I'll just show you. Can you see it? It just comes right apart, like nothing. And it's wiggly. It's perfect. Oh yeah. Boy, is that tasty. Yep, I'm glad we made enough because that's not going to last long. You got that right. Yep, you know what will go good with that right there? Yep, I'm going to get into a wobble pop. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay. And if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I just got to have another little piece of chicken. Don't tell anybody. Mmm. Good.